So we're back here at Venture on Central. Wow, I'm blown away. There has been so much amazing stuff going on out here. So first of all, we're standing outside because we have to highlight this gorgeous pool. The last time we were here, they didn't have these pavers in yet. Now with the pavers, this looks incredible. How gorgeous is that pool? So much more room for the residents to lay out, enjoy the pool, enjoy the sun. It's just gonna be so fantastic. It looks great, they did a wonderful job. Moving inside, there have been so many amazing visual updates. So first of all, look at this door. This front door is gorgeous. I'm blown away. I absolutely love that color. When you walk in, everything has been painted that beautiful white. All of the floors are done. Now we're talking about almost all of them are at this point. They're still working on about half of them, but all of them have been painted. All of them have their flooring. And then in this particular unit, they're almost completely done. We have this gorgeous color block right here going all the way down the hallway. This is what Haley told us about, kind of this beautiful like stripe of color that really gives it that pop, really ties in that mid-century modern, that 1960s kind of vibe with all these gorgeous gold fixtures here. So let's go check out the kitchen because this looks so amazing. So here in the kitchen, last time we were here, they had installed these quartz countertops, but something that they hadn't done yet was this backsplash. This is so beautiful. This really vibrant white backsplash makes everything in here look so gorgeous and clean. Obviously, these are the new cabinets. They had these in the last time we were here, but really with the fixtures and the backsplash, it just makes it come to life. The only thing we're waiting on in here are the appliances, but it's coming together so beautifully. Let's go check out the back because these bathrooms are amazing. So these bathrooms are probably one of my favorite transformations of this whole space. So you guys remember at the beginning, this was kind of an attached Jack and Jill bath that was kind of not really plausible for anybody to use. So what we've done is we've transformed that into the two mirrored bathrooms. We have this gorgeous shower in here with these amazing fixtures that Haley told us about. And my favorite part is this little shower nook that's in there that really ties in all the fixtures and that mid-century modern 1960s vibe that we were talking about earlier. We of course have the gorgeous light from the skylight and all of these gorgeous fixtures over here in the main part of the bathroom. But it just looks so great and it's gonna be so much more functional for all of our residents. So couple little things to show you guys in the rest of the space. So all of the other things are finished here. Like we said, the floors, this gorgeous paint on the walls. I love this stripe here going down, giving it this amazing pop of color. And then we have what's gonna be our French doors here and the washer and dryer inside. Not all of them have them yet. We're still waiting on a couple more, but most of them do, and it's gonna look amazing. So you guys make sure you keep watching because this space has transformed so beautifully, and I think it's gonna be really awesome to see it finally finished and coming together. Bye guys.